Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a small rabbit named Benny. Benny was known for his quick feet and his love for exploring every corner of the forest.
Small and swift with a heart so true, facing every danger that the wild ones.
But Benny had one little problem. He was very scared of the dark.
With a heart of fire in a world so cold, and the wise old owl.
Every evening, as the sun set and shadows began to stretch across the forest, Benny would hurry back to his burrow. Too afraid to stay out after dusk.
Night, the owl flew near, said, "Little rabbit, there's nothing to."
The other animals often teased him for being so frightened.
Owls are won by the mind and the sun. Oh, the brave
One day, a wise old owl named Olive noticed Benny's fear.
heart of fire in a world so cold.
Olive was the kindest creature in the forest and often helped others with her wisdom. "Benny, why are you so afraid of the dark?" Olive asked gently.
Midnight, the owl flew near, said, "Little rabbit."
"Because it feels scary," Benny replied, his nose twitching nervously. "I can't see what's around me, and I'm afraid something bad might happen."
Oh, with a heart of fire in a world.
Olive thought for a moment and said, "Meet me tonight at the big oak tree, and I will show you something wonderful about the dark."
Together they thrived in the forest so well.
Although Benny was hesitant, he trusted Olive. When the stars began to twinkle in the sky, Benny mustered all his courage and hopped to the oak tree.
They taught the forest how to live.
Olive was waiting for him with a warm, reassuring smile.
True friends.
"Look up, Benny," Olive said, pointing her wing towards the sky.
The darkest night.
Benny looked up and gasped.
Rabbit so brave and an owl so wise. Their boss who lives beneath.
The night sky was filled with thousands of twinkling stars, and a big glowing moon lit up the forest in a magical light. Fireflies danced around, their tiny lights flickering like stars on the ground.
With secrets to tell.
"The dark isn't just scary," Olive explained. "It's also beautiful and full of wonders that you can't see during the day. Sometimes we just need to face our fears to find the beauty hidden within them."
Little rabbit and the wise old owl.
Benny's fear began to melt away as he marveled at the nighttime beauty. From that day on, he no longer rushed to his burrow when the sun set. Instead, he enjoyed the calm and magic of the night, often joining Olive to stargaze. Moral of the story: courage isn't the absence of fear, it's the ability to face it and discover the wonders that lie beyond.
With a heart so true, facing every danger that the wild winds blew. Oh, the brave little rabbit.